Hi, welcome to Analytics for All. This is lesson 7 in our Python for Data Science course, our second module. Data frames, we're going to rename a column in this lesson. This is going to be a quick lesson. Now, as with all my lessons, I have a full write-up on my website, analyticsforall.org. I'll have a link down in the description on how to do this. But let's go ahead. We're going to pop over to my my Jupyter notebook, and we'll zoom in and get started. Like I say, this should be a pretty quick lesson. All right, so let's just start by making a quick dictionary and put it into a data frame. Here we've got two columns, employee title and job title and employee. Now let's look down here. This is the basic syntax we're working with. The method is called rename. And you go in there, parentheses, colon, the columns equals, then you got the curly brackets. The old column name separated by the new column name separated by a colon, and then you have a comma if you want to do more than one column at a time. Enclose all the columns in your curly braces. Then right here, this in place true, this is a command that says, hey, when I run this, I just want to replace the columns in my DF data frame. Okay, as opposed to down here where I can send it to a new data frame called DF1. In that place, I do not place the in place true column in there. So let's start by just running this. We've got it down here, rename the columns. We're going to rename job title, job T, employee, imp. I do this kind of stuff as data guy because I don't like spaces in column names. I like short column names. It's easier for me to work with them that way. It's just a habit of mine. But we go ahead and do this. And if you look now, I ran data frames and the titles changed. Now I can go back up here, run this again and reset them. Now we'll come down here and we're going to do the same thing without the in place is true. We're just going to pass this off to DF1 and you'll see as I print these both out now, DF still remains the old title and DF1 now has the new change titles. A couple other ways you can go about it, just so you know. You can go about it. Axis is 1. Notice I don't have up here I have columns equal. If I don't want to use the word columns equal, I can just say axis 1 because we know 1 is columns, 0 is rows. I can do the same thing where axis equals columns. And just the way we did it before, the originally columns equals. So all three will work. And as you can see, they've all got the same change made to them. And so they all work the same way. Again, this is a quick lesson. If you like this lesson, I hope you hit the like and subscribe button. Leave me a message below, anything you'd like me to work on. I've got a whole bunch of other lessons on my website and on my YouTube channel. Again, thank you for sticking around with me. And say, any comments you make, if you have something you'd like me to work on, I will build videos or tutorials for anything you'd like if I know how to do it. Again, thank you very much and see you later.